Okay, so today we're going to talk about changing form. Sometimes it's more important to have an equation in this form, which is called standard form. Okay, see how the x and the y are together on one side of the equal sign? Okay, so that's standard form. And that would be nice if you're using a table to graph, but sometimes you want your equation in slope-intercept form, right? Y equals mx plus b, because then you can see your slope and you can see your y-intercept a lot easier. Okay, your m, of course, is your slope, and your y-intercept is your b. Well, how do you get it from this form, standard, where the x and y are on the same side, to this form, y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept, where the y is all by itself? How do you do that? Well, it's just a two-step equation, exactly like all the other two-step equations we've ever solved. You want to get y alone, okay? This is the letter you want alone. So what do you get rid of? You get rid of this and you get rid of this. So first you get rid of the 3x because we know we get rid of the not so best friend first. So it's a positive 3x. How do you get rid of it? You add a negative 3x. So now it's gone. But of course, you know you have to do everything on both sides of the equal sign. So let's add a negative 3x over here. If you remember, we cannot combine this negative 3x with this 16 because they aren't both x's. Okay, so we just bring the negative 3x down, and then we just bring this positive 16 down. Okay, and then bring down your equal sign and bring down what's left over here, which is the 4y. Now, y is not alone yet. We have to get rid of its best friend, the 4. They're attached through multiplication, so what do? We divide. Gone. But you know we have to do that on both sides of the equal sign, so we're going to divide over here. You can't just divide one of them. How would you choose? You have to divide them both. So you divide both of these by 4. So now what you have is a decimal, but we never want slope to be a decimal because negative 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. We don't want that. Just keep it a nice fraction, negative 3 over 4. Okay? And then what we have here, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So now you have y equals negative 3x plus 4, or y equals m, there's your slope, x plus b, there's your y-intercept. And then you can graph it or do whatever it is you need to do with it.